a big thank you to each one of you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting us. And we'll be having a lot of fun this night. And this is the beginning. We're going to have a great 2026 that's with a lot of events and all. So, to get things started, നമ്മുടെ ഹൃദയപൂർവ്വം 2026 ഈ പരിപാടിയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവരെയും ഹൃദയപൂർവ്വം ഞങ്ങൾ ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു. നിങ്ങളിവിടെ വന്ന് ഞങ്ങളെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങൾ നന്ദി രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുന്നു. Now, in order to run a great show, we need great people, right? Great MCs. So, we have none other than two of our real heartthrobs who are going to take us through today's evening. They are really, really talented and will help us through this event with great enthusiasm and fun. But, everybody please pay attention. They have two problems. You know, these MCs, they always like to sing. They are two singers, okay? And sometimes it's good, but sometimes that can be a problem, okay? So that's one thing. And second thing is recently they have been hallucinating a lot. They have been